Thank you for the company Allove Hair for sponsoring this video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now, if you guys didn't know, I do have a giveaway that's happening right now on my channel. It's about 2 videos back. I think 2 videos back. I'll either link it up in the eye or I'll leave it in the description bar for you guys to go check out. But make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can participate in this giveaway, because this time it's like a cash giveaway. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go check that video out. But for today's video is gonna be a hair review tutorial. I don't know what you would call it, but it's a hair video, and this hair is from the company Allove Hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna include the clip of the initial unboxing of how the wig looked like when I first got it, but this is how the wig looked like after I co-washed it and everything. I haven't done anything to it. This is air dried, and I lightly plucked the front. It will focus. I lightly plucked the front, and I put a little bit of my not concealer, but it's like this face powder that I put underneath my wig so they could, dang, I'm getting hella play. So it can basically match with my skin tone. And I know you guys see my new background. I don't know, I think I like this background better now, because I don't know, I kind of was getting tired of the little lights in the background. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this tree. I'm trying to go with the aesthetics, the vibes. Let me know if you guys are feeling the vibes and the aesthetics, okay? But yeah, I'm kind of going for a specific look today. If I can find the picture of it, I will put a picture on it on the screen for you guys to see. But it's more so like a chopped long bob straight, I don't know. But I'm basically gonna be doing that for you guys. But this is how the inside of the wig looked like. I connected them this way just so it could be a little bit tighter on my head. It did have 2 elastic bands right here, but I did take them off because they get very annoying. But I did leave the bottom one so I can clip underneath my nip of the back of my head. And yeah, and this is a 24, I believe, 24 or 26 inch, and it is a 24 or 26 inch, so it kind of makes sense. But just keep that in mind that it is a little bit thin. Now I was gonna add an extra bundle, but since I am gonna be cutting it into like a blunt, you know, like bob and stuff like that, so I really didn't put the extra bundle in it. But, and also this is a 4x4 closure. I'm gonna try to make it, I'm gonna try to give it that that frontal effect. Hopefully I can do that. All right, so what I am gonna do is, because I want it to stay for a little bit, so I am gonna be using my Gots to Be, dang, why is it so bright? But I'm gonna use my Gots to Be spray to just hold it down. I'm gonna be using Bio Silk, just a little bit, just to have my hair have a little shine to it. All right, so I'm gonna take this again and I'm gonna put it directly on top. All right, so now I'm just gonna quickly flat iron my hair, and this part I'm just gonna fast forward through because I'm pretty sure you already know how to flat iron hair. Yeah, I don't even know if it's even, but I really love the way the lace turned out. The lace is like melted. Now if I would have put a little bit once I fix it up a little bit more, it's gonna be perfect. And what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put like some loose waves at the bottom like this. I don't know, for some reason I really love that look. Alright, and this is how they look like. It's just some loose little curls. But when I tell you guys, this is like a perfect beginner friendly wig because it is a closure unit, which will make it easier for you to maintain and everything. I always like tell people that if they haven't, hold on now, I'm sorry. I'm here on FaceTime, but if you haven't like worn a wig before, I would highly suggest you start off with something more so like more so with like a closure, so it can be easier to maintain for you to get like, you know, the hang of it and stuff like that. But I really do love this wig. Like, y'all, this junk is silky as hell. Probably gonna wear it for a little bit, but thank you Allove for sponsoring this video. Perfect beginner friendly wig. I know that the holidays is about to come up, y'all, so I know y'all trying to look cute for the holidays. Like, I mean, I know I am, and I have a whole bunch of different options for me to pick from for what look I want to serve for on the holidays. But if you guys are interested in this hair, it will be in the description bar down below with all of the information and details on this wig, and also you can check out their store if you like. I know that they're probably having mad sales right now because, you know, the holidays is around the corner, so make sure you guys take advantage of this time to, you know, get yourself a nice affordable wig. But again, thank you Allove for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you guys are subscribed. make sure you guys hit subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. But yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.